This is how to code over an animated background on Visual Studio Code. First, download the VS Code extension called GlassIt-VSC. This is an extension that makes the VS Code window transparent. In the extension settings, you can find the transparency level. The lower the value, the more transparent. Mine is set at 205. Now, go on YouTube and find a video for your VS Code background. Something with a minimal repetitive movement is ideal. My go-to videos are lo-fi videos like the Lo-Fi Girl. Then make the video full screen, Alt-tab and select the VS Code window. And that's it. That's how you can code over an animated background on VS Code. Feel free to hide the taskbar as well for full immersion. I had animated backgrounds for my Advent of Code series this year, and many people asked me how I had these backgrounds. I hope that was helpful and it enhances your coding experience. Happy coding, coders!